Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Honor 70 Lite. So when I have a problem with my headphones or any other Bluetooth gadget, I'm always starting from the simplest way: just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button for a few seconds and double restart. Little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes this really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the pair mode, and how to activate pair mode you will find a manual at your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices. But it's still not for your phone, go to the settings, slide down to the system and updates and choose the reset. As you can see, there we have a network settings and Bluetooth is included, so tap on the reset button and tap on this button again. After that, look for the device again on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to update your system, so go to the software update, and if you have any updates, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me: check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone or other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it, thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.